Happy Scalefest Friday. Today we're going to work on the F concert scale. For clarinets, that's our G scale. High school students, you're going to start on your lowest G and go all the way up to the G just above the staff. Middle school students, you're going to start on open G and go to that same G above the staff. For today, I'm going to show you how to play the full 2-octave scale. So middle schoolers, take the challenge. It's great for you. With any sharp scale, we always want to watch out for the 3rd and the 7th note. And in this scale, that's a B natural and an F sharp, the 3rd note and the 7th note. When you're looking at sharp scales, take time to identify those 2 notes mentally, physically, and you'll have a lot more success. It's always important to spell the scale before you do it. So let's spell it. Let's go ahead and spell it 2 octaves. Ready? G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. F sharp, E, D, C, B, A, G. F sharp, E, D, C, B, A, G. And the arpeggio, G, B, D. G, B, D, G, D, B, G, D, B, G. Let's give it a shot. I would love to help you get ready for your next big audition. Use the link below to access our high school or middle school all-state courses. For $15 off during the month of September, use the code KICKSTART. I would love to help you on your journey towards All-State.